All right, let's work out a couple more examples of using reverse PEMDAS to solve an equation. All right, so this one looks quite a bit worse than the ones from before. Starting off, all the things that are happening to the x. I'm going to list them out here. All right, the first thing that's happening to my x is that it's being divided by 5. So I got to do everything in parentheses first. It's being divided by 5, and then it's being added by 3. All right, after those things have happened inside the parentheses, all right, before I subtract 4, I got to take whatever this is and multiply it by 2. All right, and the last thing to happen if I were working this out would be subtraction by 4. Subtraction by 4. And those are all happening in that order. So to solve the equation, I need to add 4 to both sides. I need to divide both sides by 2. I got to subtract 3 from both sides. I got to multiply by 5 very last. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 20 and I'm going to add 4. All right. So whatever 20 plus 4 is, I'm going to take that answer and I'm going to divide it by 2. And then I'm going to take whatever that answer is and subtract 3. And then whatever that answer is, I'm going to multiply by 5. Geez. All right. Got a lot of things I have to do here. All right. So take our 20, our number on the right-hand side, and add 4. That's 24. And then I got to divide by 2. That's going to be 12. And then I need to subtract 3. That's going to be 9. And then I got to multiply by 5. That's going to be 45. That's our answer. 45. X equals 45 in this case. One more example here. All right. So this one only has, 3 things, I think? Yeah, only 3 things happening to the x. All right. So again, if you're confused on what's happening first, whether it's the minus 2 or the divide by negative 4 or the plus 2, what you could do is you could work it out by actually plugging in some number for x, like 5. If you did 5 minus 2 over negative 4 plus 2, if you pretended that you were going to work this out using PEMDAS, all right, that would tell you what the 3 steps are over here. All right, you can't just divide by negative 4 at the very beginning, because you have to finish working out everything that's in that numerator before you divide by negative 4. So the first thing that's happening to our x is that it's being subtracted by 2. And then it's being divided by negative 4. And then it's being added by 2. And these are the opposites: subtraction by 2, multiplication by negative 4, and addition by 2. Just got to do those 3 things in this order, in reverse order. Right? I got to do those 3 things to that 12. So 12. I got a minus 2, or subtract 2 or whatever. I got to multiply by negative 4. And then I got to add 2. Negative 38. I know I think on all of my answers, they were pretty much all whole numbers, but a lot of the ones that you're going to see on your worksheet are going to be fractions and decimals and stuff, just to let you know. All right, that's it. Let me know if you have some questions.